Well, morning campers, it's the 9th of October. Excuse me, 7 o'clock. I just woke up. I don't know if you can hear this or see this, and it's quite spectacular if they all move. Let me have a look. Can you see them over there? They'll all, you know what they are, blackbirds, or they're ravens. Well, not ravens, are they? Just big enough for that. Bugger off, way down here. I turned it back around again. Can you see that black? Sorry, I'm trying to look at the bloody window, aren't I? Yep, I can't wedge myself up. Can you see all them birds? And they'll spook in a bit. There's thousands of them. So if it's Stonehenge, I'm parked up, I'm looking exactly away from the stones. I look away from the stones. But they swoop and this is going to be as boring as ever. All the rest of my fucking videos, isn't it? But there's simply how many birds are there? So the camera's not very good, but it's quite a spectacle when they fly. You sort of spook them. And let's get ourselves if they do fly. So just wondering what's over there, what they're actually eating, or what they're trying to get at. It was quite nice up here last night. It was nice and quiet. I heard a dog bark about 10 minutes ago. That woke me up. I don't know if you can see over there. You can't really make it out, can you? Because the camera's not that good. But all that's just like a white foggy mist. It's quite beautiful. To see if those birds will go up. And it's quite a spectacular show when they go off. But whether you're going to see it or not, it's a different matter altogether. Because it's holding this bloody camera still. No. But yeah, there's more than 10 there. But I don't know what it is. It's about 19 degrees in here. If you hear a boom in a minute, that'll be just me central heating kicking in. But I'll let you watch this and chat to you at the same time, can I? What want to go chat to you about, really? What's up today? It's Friday. Stay here for a bit. I mood job. Got down to Upton Level tonight. I got down there on a Friday night. I like it down there. Can't see in the distance. Well, I could see a mast. See that? The tree on the hill, the lone tree, just slightly to the right of the centre. We come back to the middle and look really carefully. You can see a red light flashing, but it is quite a way away. But I thought we'd get a bit of see these birds flying about. They were flying about while I opened. Oh, excuse me, when I opened the window, I noticed there's a bus has just gone down. with people in it for the stones, but they do, I think, special parties for sunrise. You'll be sunrise in, I don't know, somewhere about within 10 minutes. 10 minutes in now. But yeah, I met that Chris. I can't remember what he said his name was Onyx last night or something like that. Something like, I can't what he said his name was. And a nice chap. It's quite nice, the sort of people that come up and introduce themselves. So I follow you on Facebook and YouTube and what have you. It's just quite nice. Well, I don't know if you noticed, but they're actually moving. You can't really see them, but they're actually sort of moving about. Like it's not so black in places, so they are. Yeah, there they go. They're going to go up now. There's a few of them flown up on the horizon. Can you see them? You can't make it bloody out, can you? You sort of see them flying away. But yes, the camera's just not that good. Yeah, they seem to be moving off that way. But it's not a very good camera, not very good. It's actually quite nice to watch. But they are. Seem to be moving off in little groups. It's a bit of a. Let me go this bloody camera. There's a group moved off up there. I've got to look so carefully at them. But can you see that mist in that envelope? Yeah, how beautiful that is. Isn't it lovely? All down in the valley. If we were down in the valley, I don't park down there much. I just sort of like it up here. But then I don't know to socialise, but you know, I just like it on my own, really. Well, we'll have to give this a miss, I think. I'll never look at the mist. See how pretty misty it is. There's a couple gone across there. I don't know what they are, but they've obviously got up from their roost, or wherever they got up from. You can see they're thinning out on the ground now. I'm not really interested in that. It interests me. Just like to see them sort of flying away. It's times like this that I wish I had a good camera. You could pick them out. There's a couple gone off there now. I wonder where they're gone off to. Look, you see them? We only get this in the morning for a couple of minutes, you know. Kettle's boiling. That's no good, is it? I can't leave it like. I can't see bugger all. Maybe you'll stay there, we will just fall bloody over. But if something spooks them, they'll all go up a fair over rate. Anyway, peeps, I let me cheese machine. The birds are gonna move or not. But I'll show you at the other side, which is absolutely lovely now. We can get up through here. Open the door. I got no bloody clothes on. But look at that. There's the stones in the fog, in the mist. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful morning. Remember what they say. Red sky at night, shepherd's delight. Red sky in the morning, barn on fire. Who's about up here? You can't see somebody got rid of a dog. The dogs. It's quite a atmospheric thing, isn't it? No, it's they're saying we're dogs. Of course, my videos, so I don't cut anything or anything. So anyway, so we leave that. And, we'll leave that. Anyway, peeps, I'll do another video later, I suppose, or maybe it'll change. So, there you go. I'll speak to you all later. Remember, stay classy. No fighting. Bye-bye.